What's up, guys? I'm here at the lab. I actually haven't told y'all yet. I'm getting the HFP kit wrapped in gloss black. I took the whole kit off the car. I just needed to look a little bit cleaner for clean culture, man. I painted it myself. It just wasn't it, bro. But like I said, we out here at the lab. Just look at this shop, bro. The shop is a vibe, bro. So I had to take off all the pieces, sand them down. Big pause, bro. Big pause, big pause. At the Bondo. I'm gonna try this. It's the first time I'm trying this. So remember that little screw I was talking about that I said to mind your business? Well, me over. Now I have to take care of that hole. I don't know why I did that shit. Oh!
Pink and gold balloons in the background.
The girl, yeah, my fault.
Yo.
Apparently I gotta mix this with this. I gotta mix the Bondo with the cream hardener. Pause. I'm gonna just fill this in real quick. Shouldn't be too hard. Smooth it out. Got my little tool. Just like that. This shit smells so good, bro. It just smells.
I smell like paint and acetone, bro. Polish remover and paint at the same time.
I ain't even ordered that.
The rent is due today. I gotta pay that bill.
I don't know how much to mix. It doesn't say, bro.
Got a toilet like spaghetti, bro.
You think this is a fork?
Yeah, but like he taught all that shit, he still did that dumb
Bro,
shit.
Alright, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna just slap some on there. Fill the hole, hopefully. Just keep going until I fill the hole. It's my first time doing this, bro. Busting out the other side. Busting out the other side. Look at dripping.
I'm already doing it. I'm already ahead of you.
You got the camera, goddamn. Alright. Applied the second coat, or whatever you want to call it. Second layer of Bondo. And it's turned out pretty good. Sand that down a little bit too, even though I don't have to. I'm getting it wrapped, so I'm gonna try to make it as smooth as possible for him. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed with myself, bro. I'm impressed with myself for real. You see this? I have it to the repertoire. It's smooth. Like it was never there. And then he told me to just shoot some primer over it real quick so the wrap will actually stick to the body kit. If y'all need anything wrapped, make sure to check out the lab. He's just getting settled into the shop and stuff. He don't even got all his wrap supplies yet, but he's been rapping for like 2 to 3 years, bro. He came from up north. He's doing his thing down here, bro. I might get my windshield tinted by him too. We'll see, though. I'm trying to take off these stickers before clean culture, bro. I'm gonna just slap a windshield tint on there. I'll let y'all guess. Sun pass, bro. Give me that.
Oh, you're right. I'm gonna have to steam that tour and like relieve the floor. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I'm about to throw 12s on here, bro. No, I'm not even gonna say. Wait, I mean 50. I mean nothing. Nothing. I'm not throwing anything. Nothing on the windshield. They're just cleaning it. Cannot see through that shit, bro. If you come here to the lab and you want 5 going around and 12 on the front, that's a Corey special, bro. They gonna hook you up. Don't forget the Corey special.
just if y'all want a quick comparison, 5 all around and 40 on the front gets you this. Then 5 all around with 12 on the front gets you this. A mirror.
It's morning time. I'm actually about to go to the gym right now, but I know y'all haven't seen this yet. Oil slick. Should look fire. Y'all thought I was gonna leave it how it was? Nah, bro. Had to change it up real quick. Got all the sponsors on there. No, not sponsors, but you feel me? All the companies that I use. Hopefully sponsors one day, you feel me? If anybody on this list trying to sponsor me, I'm open to it. All these companies made this build possible, plus a couple more, but I didn't include the ones that were really gonna be interchangeable, like the tires and the rims. Also got this rear window visor. It sets everything off, bro. That make the car look crazy. Sheesh, I know y'all see that oil slick changing colors. Yum, green, purple. Yum, what other color? But yeah, this the rear window visor, that shit got a little scoop to it. I love it, bro. Tight like them. I got 3 wings on my car. Someone help me, bro. If y'all don't know already, I'll be at Clean Culture in Kissimmee on the 20th. Finally entered the show. Been going to the show for years. It's my first year in it. I know a bunch of y'all gonna be there. If you see me there, just pull up, bro. When I get to see y'all, I see y'all recognizing me, that helped me out. You feel me? That give me a little boost. Don't ever think, oh, he too Hollywood. Nah, bro. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, follow me at CoreyW_. If you follow me there, you would have known already. I was going to Clean Culture. I posted it like 3 times. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. What else? That's it, bro. Have a good day. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, what in the what are you doing? What are you doing? Just watch my and not click the subscribe button.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
What size turbo are you running on this?
It's a 6266.
You built the tranny on this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays at the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They were